To simplify this expression, I'm first going to look to see if I have any of the same variables. I first have 2x, and then I also have a negative 2x. These would actually cancel each other out because they are different signs. Same signs, we would add them up. Different signs, we need to use subtraction. So my x's cancel out. A common mistake that I saw looking at people's papers yesterday was to combine 3y with 5y squared. These are actually different terms because the y is squared. I cannot combine these any further. So my simplified expression would look like 5y squared plus 3y. Now, commutative property says if you put this in the other order, it would still be correct because it is addition. However, typically, to keep our work organized, if a variable is squared, that will usually appear first in our simplified expression.